Alright, here we go. We're on Maple Springs Road.
Welcome to John DIY, where I take these flush-mounted off-road lights and stick them in my side mirror. Oh yeah! So I'm sure many of you have seen lights mounted just above the hood, but you might not know why. Those lights are used to illuminate your peripherals. Notice here, I can't see what's beyond my side window. I personally had the inspiration to find a ditch mount lighting solution after doing the Mojave Road. Headlights are just not enough. Now, it's not because I'm a cheap bastard. It's because I just wanted a flush look. I also noticed that side mirrors angle out in the same direction as most ditch lights, so it just made a lot of sense. I had the idea, and then I searched the internet to see if anyone else has attempted something like this, and I did find some people with Toyota Tacomas that have successfully mounted flush mount lights to their side mirrors. So without further ado, let's get into this. Keep in mind, your side mirror might be different than mine, even if you have a Honda, so get familiar with your side mirror. Here's most of the things that I use for this project. Feel free to pause the video in case you wanted to write this stuff down. In order to take the door off, there's a screw right here. It's a Phillips. You unscrew down there, and then up here, there is a cover. And once it goes down, it just falls down like that. Pretty simple. Okay, clips are going to be on the sides, both sides. Do not try to declip from the top. It just actually hooks like that. So you declip the sides and the bottom, and then you lift this thing up, and then pulls out. So you don't scratch the paint, use a plastic pry tool. Let's go to this side and declip that. Okay, lift it up. Once it's lifted up, you just let it hang down. It's not going anywhere. Hold it from right there and just yank it. There's that clip. Okay, these are 10mm bolts, nuts, and you just loosen these three and the thing slides right off. The reason why you have to take the door off is because of this harness. Press on that tab and pull. There you go. 10mm. Rectangle. So basically what I did was I used this, and then I just kind of used a pen to draw where I needed to cut, and then I just went ahead and did a cut. So just want to make sure you don't cut this wiring harness right here. If you saw sparks, that's because there's a screw right here, but that could go. Okay, now you're going to see a wire right there. So there's just two things you need to watch out for: the wiring harness and that wire right there. Okay, everything else is good. So the flush mount that I have goes 2 inches deep. So I need to get creative on how I cut up this mirror. I have to cut from multiple angles. Only going up. All right, so I removed the this panel right here, and the button's really not going to fit on this thing. So here is my proposed solution. I'm going to put it back in like that, and then I'm going to use something called a step drill to drill a big enough hole. And let's go. So we're just going to try to fit this thing through. And I have no idea this is how the professionals do it, but I could see that this is how I'm going to have to do it. It looks absolutely terrible on the inside. All right, there we go. It looks clean. So before I pop that in there, let me go wire it up. Okay, let's go test out these lights. Now they are ditch lights, so they're just going to be illuminating the peripherals. So like right here, for example, boom, there we go. Here we go. And then boom. Okay. Now my high beams could do that too. Let's go see how it, oh, it actually still, even with the high beams on, it actually still kind of gets it. But the most important thing is when you're off-roading, when you're driving on dirt and you're going through these hairpin turns, when you look out your driver and passenger window, all you see is black. And this Honda has really good fog lights that offer peripheral lighting, but you're not going to see that tree right there. So having lighting right there on your peripheral really helps out. So thank you very much for watching. This project is not for everybody. If you don't mind the look of ditch lights, I say you just spend the $65 and get the ditch light mount. For me personally, I wanted my vehicle to look clean, especially out the front windshield. I give property tours for work, so this is really important to me. So again, thanks for watching, and I hope you have fun on your adventures.
There you go. Nice. Nice. That was a lot of right front action too, man.
He went straight on, right?
Yeah, that was good.
I think I'm gonna go this way though, because mine is not that high. So I'm gonna come this way, right, and then hard left. Here you go.
Okay, thanks.
So yeah, John had a good line. He didn't get stuck in the. He didn't get stuck in that little hole.
No, but he did kick that rock up pretty good though.
But yeah, if you
What did I almost hit that you guys freaked
right
out
here,
about?
this rock,
Oh,
you almost
shit.
slammed into that
Yeah,
rock.
I
I was
see
like,
that.
stop! You were gonna slam that.
You had it the whole time.
Yeah, Eric, this
But he saw it
obstacle's
more
on
than I
you.
did. I just was over on this side, so I couldn't see it.
Suicide cam. This one's going.